Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
Hi, I'm Brian Dixon, Senior Vice President of Research and Development at LifeVantage. Today, I'm going to talk about the products in our Gut Health Essential Stack. Your gut health is incredibly important. Beyond digestion, it's linked to everything from immune health to your mood and complexion. It's where everything you consume gets broken down so nutrients can get shuttled through your body to fuel just about everything. And your gut is constantly communicating with your brain, giving it orders to turn various processes on or off. Your gut is made up of two parts. The gastrointestinal system is responsible for food intake, processing, and elimination. That's your mouth, your stomach, your intestines, and your colon. Your liver and other organs are also involved. Then there are the bacterial residents in your gut microbiome. There are a lot of them. There are as many bacterial cells in your body as human cells. They play important roles in your digestion and your general health. These two parts work together as an ecosystem, and creating a healthy environment for that system to flourish is crucial. It has to keep your digestion on track, ensure optimal nutrient absorption, and get rid of toxins and waste. When those processes work well, you get the best results from all your related systems too. If you sometimes have mild digestive upset, you're not alone. As many as 6 out of 10 people experience digestive discomfort at least once a week. Fortunately, there are things you can do to help this. Getting enough sleep and exercise has been linked to a healthier gut, but diet is the most important. Try adding fermented foods and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables for starters. The 3 supplements in our Gut Health Essential Stack can also help. Physique Prebiotic and LifeVantage ProBio are included to support your microbiome. And Protandem NRF2 Synergizer supports detoxification as it helps your body fight oxidative stress. Physique Prebiotic is a special kind of fiber supplement, unlike dietary fiber used as a bulking agent to fill you up and keep you regular. The fibers in prebiotic are the food that beneficial bacteria prefer to eat. Like all living organisms, bacteria are made to thrive on certain types of food, like a lion who needs meat. If you eat a lot of processed or fast foods, you're not providing the right food to your beneficial bacteria. You're essentially starving out the good guys. Prebiotic is an easy way to give good bacteria what they need. Prebiotic is loaded with different types of polysaccharides or carbohydrates that come from fruit and vegetable fibers your bacteria use to grow. There are also 3 amino acids, the preferred fuel source for your gut cells. Prebiotic helps feed the good bacteria from probio, which makes them a great pair. Why do you need probio? Before the discovery of the microbiome, most people thought bacteria were bad. Now we know if we didn't have bacteria, we probably wouldn't live long. The bacteria and other microbes in your gut microbiome eat the leftovers your digestive system can't break down. A nice side effect is the creation of compounds called metabolites, which are usually good for you. It's the thank you gift bacteria give you for feeding them. Under optimal conditions, the gut has plenty of good bacteria, but optimal conditions aren't realistic. Stress, diet, medications, or other lifestyle habits can shift the makeup of the microbiome. ProBio can reseed bacteria and provide diversity with 6 billion colony-forming units of 6 different bacteria. You get 5 different lactobacillus strains, which are commonly found in a healthy gut. These make lactic acid, which attracts beneficial bacteria. They also help make butyrate, which nourishes your gut lining. ProBio also has one type of bifidobacterium, another bacteria to support your gut lining. We chose these strains for their ability to support immune and digestive health. They've been well studied and shown to provide benefits for digestive health and comfort. There are over 70 human clinical trials on Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM alone. Because probiotic bacteria don't work if they don't make it into your intestines alive, the strains in ProBio are designed to survive the acidic environment of the stomach, and they're delivered in a delayed release capsule to ensure they get where they are needed. This brings us to Protandim NRF2 Synergizer. This product is good for your gut for two reasons. First, it's an activator of NRF2 to help your body make its own powerful antioxidants. Oxidative stress can damage cells throughout your body, and your gut is no different. It's exposed to stressors and free radicals daily. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing these free radicals. Second, it contains milk thistle extract, which also activates NRF2 and has been used for hundreds of years to support liver health. Your liver is a hard-working organ with many jobs. One of the most important is removing waste and toxins. Protandim NRF2 Synergizer helps upregulate your body's natural detoxification enzymes to support this function. The process for breaking apart toxins creates a lot of reactive molecules. Detoxifying enzymes bond with those compounds to make them less toxic, as they can be removed without causing any harm. If there aren't enough detoxification enzymes available, this process won't work as well as it should. Your gut health is incredibly important to your overall well-being. Give our Gut Health Essential Stack a try. You could begin to feel a difference in just a couple of weeks.
Thanks for watching, and remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.